easier one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today matter na about one video when I see. I say the thing shockalize me. Say, Igbo people, they say they respect our blacks. Hey. My ogbonge people, I know wetin happen for this video. Mona help me share am more because I know say many people go like to see this kind of video. The man go put, I know say in America this kind of thing for the happen where be say they go they beat our blacks, they rufando them, they tie their hand go back, they come put handcuff for their hand, they do so many things to them. You understand? So my ogbonge people, wetin come happen for this video? Now I want to tell you now. The man come put handcuff for one man's son and so as he put handcuff, the tie and go back. So then the man come they tell the Igbo man say, why you go put handcuff? Because the Igbo man are police. Why you go put handcuff for a pikin? And they say, I didn't know it was your son. Like seriously? So supposing you know, say na his son, you for not do am. Because the man maybe not big person for them. So the man say, he not know, say na his son. He say, he not know. So supposing he know, if for not try him. I was like, seriously? So that's so? Hey. He say, he not know, say na the man's son. I didn't know it was your son. I couldn't have do it. That was what this man said. I can't say, eh? So, you mean say, supposing you know, say na the man's son, you for not put handcuff. So the man now can't say, make him turn around. The policeman now, the white man, he can't put the handcuff for the man and he can't do and go back. He can't tell us, say, how do you feel now? The man can't tell us, say, he's hot. He say, but you do it to his son. You don't see the pace where his son be they pass through since now. So you, Nana, you can see pass through and you can see and say, it's not easy for this this thing when I put for this smart picking and Mona listening.
That is my son. Why is he in handcuffs?
I'm sorry. I did not know he was your son. I wouldn't have done this.
Son, turn around. Turn around, son. Are you hurt? Did he do anything to you? No. No? What about the other guy? Is he okay? Sergeant Green, come here. Come here, Sergeant Green. Give him an apology. Right now.
I'm sorry, sir. Please accept my apology.
Yeah. Buddy, I'm not done with you. I'm not done with you. Here.
So the man now they tie the handcuff.
How does it feel?
For you, for the man.
Look at me. How does it feel?
It's really unnecessary, sir.
It's unnecessary, but it was necessary for you to put him in handcuffs when he didn't do anything wrong.
It was a mistake, and I apologize.
It's a mistake. What was the mistake? Because, see, I don't see this as a mistake. See, this is an intentional act. You meant to do this.
No, sir, I really didn't. It was just...
Are you his training partner?
Yes, sir.
You're training him?
Yes.
How long you been on again, rookie?
First day.
First day. His first day. And this is the example that you're giving.
He say, he no know, say, na the man's son. So then the man can't tell and say, who be this colleague waiting with you now? He say, na a colleague. Then he can't ask that one, say, when you start work, that one say, you just start of recent. Now say, then the man say, really? So now so you take the teach, because they say, may you teach and work. Now so you take the teach and work. Why it be say, these Oyibo people, they don't they like us when we be black. Why? Why did they always they behave like this to us? Now they even still carry our things so now they but now they go see they behave anyhow to us. It's not good. He say no say that the man's son. Supposing you know, you for not arrest the man. You for not arrest put handcuff for the man's son. And like seriously, my dad, I need to watch this video. I go put the video more and see whether YouTube will like the video. I don't really know, but they don't fight. But I go still try put the video more and see the video. What did this Oyibo man really do? Whether he did good because they don't catch an hand.
I didn't know he was your
I
son. I
didn't
would've
know
done
it
that.
was
That's
your
my son.
son.
Why is he in handcuffs?
I didn't know it was your son. I didn't know. If I know, I couldn't have put that anchor for his hand. I be waiting in the try to explain now. Say he no know. Say na the man's son. You know, this life you go the person they get level. You go though because when the man come when I need to see the way the way the Igbo man they beg, when they beg, you know, when they beg, say he no know, say na his son. He for not try him. He for not try him at all. He no know, say na his son. You understand? So, my darling people, what do you now think about this video? Because the video makes sense. So because I just the laugh say he's so black, see get level now. Our black see they get level like this. I bet without upgrade though. Blacks don't upgrade, they verse. They don't want to take nonsense again, no. For all you book on the beg black, they beg and I didn't know it was your son. So does it mean say when they arrest people anyhow, when I can't see the big person, wait day, when I come begin they beg, say I beg. I don't know say na your son. I for not try him. Like the way Africa be. Where we say big man picking, they know they arrest them. Now only poor people picking. Now they full prison way. Because if they arrest big man picking, the same thing will see happen. So does it they say, I don't know say na your son, so I beg, no vessel. I don't know say na your son, now they happen so. My darling people, this matter is serious. So I go put the video now. More and see my darling people. Anything you wanna think about the video, more and leave on a comment for the comment section. Thank you, my ogbonge people. Bye. Please share the video. Please always put thumbs up. More I beg now. Now I made for a finish. More they put thumbs up for my video. Anytime when I watch my video, and please share the video too, so that you see from there. See they help me where they talk the matter. Thank you. Bye.
I didn't know he was your son. I would have stopped.
That is my son. Why is he in handcuffs?
I'm sorry. I did not know he was your son. I wouldn't have done this.
Son, turn around. Turn around, son. Are you hurt?
Come on, man. All right.
Did he do anything to you?
No.
No? What about the other guy? Was he okay with you too?
Cool. Okay.
Sergeant Green, come here. Come here, Sergeant Green. Give him an apology. Right now.
I'm sorry, sir. Please accept my apology.
Yeah. Fine, I'm not done with you. I'm not done with you. Here. Tell me, how does that feel? How does it feel? Turn around. Look at me. How does it feel?
It's really unnecessary, sir.
It's unnecessary, but it was necessary for you to put him in handcuffs when he didn't do anything wrong.
It was a mistake, and I
It was a
apologize.
mistake. It's a mistake. What was the mistake? Because, see, I don't see this as a mistake. See, this is an intentional act. You meant to do this.
No, sir, I really didn't. It was just...
Are you his training partner?
Yes, sir.
You're training him?
Yes.
How long you been on again, rookie?
First day.
First day. His first day. And this is the example that you're giving.